Hello everyone, my name is Eldar and on this channel I will create a series of videos with useful tricks in Office programs. After watching this video you will learn how to create your own online questionnaire and export it to Excel for your work and analytics. Okay, let's go. Open Google Form and create simple questions. What is your name? What is your age? What is your favorite drink? Coffee, tea, water, juice? Write in the comments what is your favorite drink. Now enter sample data. Go back. Our answers appeared here. For export results, click to download responses CSV. In other survey programs, you can also try to export CSV format. After download, unzip file and open Excel. Click File, Import. Open our CSV file. Select Delimited. If the preview data is displayed incorrectly, try different encodings. Delimiters is comma. And finish. Okay, well done. Now you can use the obtained data for reports, drawing diagrams and other things in your work. If you find this video useful, please like it. Write in the comments if I should make similar videos. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see me again. Thanks for watching, see you next time.